friends, let's learn a story. Akash learns a lesson. Little Akash was a naughty boy. He played pranks on others. He would hurt other boys. He would stick out his tongue at passes by, pull little girl ponytail and push other boys toward her. Akash did not listen to the warning his teacher in school gave him. He did not listen to his mama's word on the Akash was playing. In the park, he saved a little boy happily, swinging and humming a tune. He did not like the little boy, so he immediately pushed the boy off the swing and sat on it the swing. Saved gently at first, then picked speed. It went faster and faster. Suddenly, the string of the swing broke off and Akash fell on the. Akash understood how he must have hurt the little boys he had pushed. He promised never to hurt anyone again. The end. The moral of the story is Akash learned a lesson. We should not hurt